Never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
I'm proud of the people, you know that's something like down. Welcome back to the channel. datmisehtv look. Down? Give thanks to life. I look some food. A place named Calabash restaurant. Yeah. Certain type of one. Any food you get there. Yeah, Calabash, certain type of food. So I go up there. Come with me. Yeah, I'm not sure that. You know what I mean? Look on.
This ones.
What's these up? Yeah, let's go food, you know. You are going for the food, okay? So nice. Yeah, that's something there. The people, the whole thing transparent, see that? Calabash restaurant, the whole thing is transparent. The real thing, see that? The service and all and something around it. It's clean like Jesus police record. Something there. Natural. So now, the people, Ocho Rios today, Calabash restaurant. Firewood one. Iron power style one. Food boy, Ital place, Ital restaurant. Okay. Dietary. Yeah.
Social media platform, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram pages authorized under Section 58.3 of the Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Act. Must be 18 years old to drink.
Yeah.
Where's Anna? Where's Anna? Cheese ready to right?
No, just 3 meals. You tell them what you want when you get
Okay.
2,400.
Other food, yeah?
I don't know what you want.
Single, alright, vegetable fried rice. You want a fried rice?
Yeah.
With what we got with onion, those two, chunks, vegetable fried rice with single.
If we use a wrong antibiotic, we could strengthen the bacteria that are making us sick.
So, what did you get?
You know people.
So this is vegetable fried rice. Vegetable rice.
Yeah, vegetable fried rice with some steamed veg.
And multi-grain stew. So look, there's red peas in there.
Yeah, the whole world.
Have a little food and bits in there.
Yeah, you understand what I say, people?
Yeah, I got the
There's
same.
anything there.
I got the same.
Okay, I get something different about this one.
Like I got something different. But
Look at them.
Vegetable fried rice with raw veg.
yeah, it's a brown stew veggie chunks with fried rice and veg.
Raw veg.
Raw veg, yeah. So,
Good like that, huh? So I want the people.
good.
Right, good, good.
What the stew? You get Malaka. Be sweating. Right. Tastes good. The rice is
Right.
good. Well flavorful. Well flavorful. This is just good. Peas and what's that? Carrot or pumpkin or something.
Man, look at that one.
Tastes good. Yeah.
Good.
Like he's done.
Good.
That's almost done. I've still got a bit left, but it's a lot of food for me. I'll finish when I get home. But it makes a difference, doesn't it? Makes a difference from the meat.
Different blend.
Yeah.
Different flavor.
Yeah.
From every day to my
Yeah.
We cook some for you.
Yeah.
Some veg. Something, some. Put something together. Yourself.
Yeah.
Plus, yeah. Crazy herbs and all these things you see to them there. These things are along the way. Calabash restaurant in Ocho Rios. Crazy spice. That's the thing, you know. Some natural herbs and all these things. Some shampoo and some different things. Avocado shampoo and different kind of olive oils and all these different kind of things that have in the place. Not everything is a natural thing. Everything natural. Natural things. Some really ice cream. So it's like jackfruit, cookies and cream and grape nuts. Good. Is that good? Sauce up jackfruit, cookies and cream and grape nuts. Sauce up something, jackfruit something going on here, don't
And guys, a few years ago, I actually used to be, well, I was both. One point I was vegan, no dairy, no meat, no dairy, for a good little while, but the problem was it was expensive. Expensive? Yeah man, I tried the vegan thing and I enjoyed it, making stuff, everything, but it was really expensive. So then I went to vegetarian. Why you interrupt what I'm saying? She's showing you the natural ginger beer. Then I went to vegetarian, which is a lot easier. But now we just do fish and chicken. Yeah, we don't eat. Well, you guys know if you watch our channel, we don't eat red meat. fish and chicken, but this Ital vegan food today made a good change. So. And you know what? When you have this, it kind of just, for me anyway, makes me just think like, oh, maybe could I go back? Yeah, easily. I could easily go back. I could easily go and just done with me easily, easy. And with dairy products as well.
Yeah, easily.
So, yeah. Watch this space. Watch this space. Maybe we'll come and tell you that yeah, we're vegans now, or. Pure, just naturally Ital, but yeah.
It's them have jackfruit ice cream on there.
Yeah, vegan ice cream.
Come taste it. We can't eat that right now, but come taste it. Jackfruit.
Yeah.
Yes, man. So good, and sauce up on it, you know.
Yeah. You know he meant the
sauce up goes.
Yeah.
Them have sauce up ice cream on there. That's one I tell you. It's so far out.
But yes, guys, it was good. When we go out, we're gonna show you where it is. So if you're in the area, it's in Ochi. If you're in anytime in Ochi, you can come and check out Calabash restaurant.
Yeah,
come and check them out. Yeah.
Good old Calabash, right there. Healthy food.
So yes, guys, we've just finished at Calabash. If you want to know where it is, guys, it's in Ochi, right next to Island Plaza. Island Plaza. Otherwise known as Burger King Plaza.
Yeah.
Otherwise known as Burger King Plaza on the other side. And next to Victoria Mutual Bank, VM. And close to Juicy Beef Passy. I know there's 3 in Ochi, but close to this one.
Yeah, Juicy Beef, don't call it one now. That's it, that's the next Juicy Beef.
The next Juicy Beef.
But people call it bottom Juicy Beef. Let me run the bottom part there.
Please.
So I call it the next Juicy Beef.
Yeah.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.